Hi everyone. This is a step-by-step guide on how to boost your financial confidence while living in Ireland. Open your app or grab a notebook and follow along. Step 1. Know your numbers. Write down how much money is coming in, where it's going, and what's left over. Use budgeting apps like Revolut, YNAB, or Spend to track everything. Financial awareness gives you power. Step 2. Set clear goals. Whether you want to save €5,000 this year, pay off a loan, or invest, make your goals specific and time-bound. Knowing what you're working towards gives you daily motivation. Step 3. Keep learning. Read Irish-based finance blogs, watch videos like this one, and follow trusted creators who share money-saving and investing tips. The more you learn, the more in control you'll feel. Step 4. Celebrate every win. Paid off one credit card? Saved €100 this month? Reward yourself with something simple, or write it down to reflect on later. Momentum is built on progress. Step 5. Don't be afraid to talk about money. Join online communities, ask questions, and share your financial wins and lessons. When money becomes a normal topic, confidence grows faster. Thanks for watching. Stay confident, stay consistent, and subscribe for more weekly tutorials about managing your finances in Ireland.